Greetings, beautiful people of the internet. My name is Tobias Cardew and I design things like this. What is it? I don't know. Watch the video and you'll find out. Straight out of the entirely recyclable carton pops the point-to-point. To get going, all that's needed is for the wee lock bars to be fitted to the pinchy bolts, and happy days, you're ready to go. The point-to-point expands 7 dividing points up to a maximum of 2.5 feet, and it's lockable. When setting out a row of coat hooks, first mark the dimension to be divided, expand the point-to-point to the markings, and lock that setting in using the 2 pinch bolts. The cunning right angle cutouts offer the perfect marking point. The point-to-point can also help mark out rows of screws, pins, rivets, dowels, even shirt buttons. However, we don't recommend dividing atoms or other small high tolerance work like dovetails or finger joints. Give us a row of coat hooks every time. To divide panels larger than 2.5 feet, subdivide the total run length into sections less than the point-to-point's maximum. Set the mechanism to the newly created subsection, lock the setting in, and hey presto, you've got a nice long run of even spacings. Thanks for watching, and we truly appreciate your attention over the last 1.5 fun-packed minutes. If you'd like to watch even more of our truly riveting videos, please help yourself.